Ever wondered how that Friday night takeaway might be affecting your liver health? Well, brace yourselves, because today we're diving into the world of food and its impact on one of the most vital organs in your body, the liver. Your liver acts as a sophisticated filter, processing everything you eat and drink to maintain your body's balance and health. But what happens when the foods we consume aren't exactly liver-friendly? Let's unravel the intricate relationship between our dietary choices and the health of this remarkable organ. Let's embark on this enlightening exploration together and discover the bad and good foods for your vital organ. First on the culprit list, fried foods. Envision those golden French fries, crispy chicken wings, or that irresistibly delicious donut. Yes, they taste heavenly, but they are packed with unhealthy fats and calories that can lead to weight gain. More importantly, these fried foods can seriously harm your liver. Consuming them excessively can contribute to the development of diseases like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition characterized by excess fat buildup in the liver. Among the top offenders are deep-fried foods like French fries and fried chicken. The reason for this is due to the high temperatures used in deep frying, which lead to the creation of harmful substances like acrylamide, a well-known carcinogen. This, along with the high fat content, makes these foods particularly damaging to liver health. Fast foods in particular are often cooked in reused oil, which can produce further harmful substances. Transitioning to our next topic, we discuss the detrimental impacts of highly processed foods. The convenience of ready meals and fast foods may be tempting, but they are frequently loaded with artificial ingredients and preservatives that act as a burden your liver has to bear. These include intrigue elements like sodium nitrate and potassium bromate, common in hot dogs and bread respectively, which have been linked to liver damage. Fast food chains are prime examples of where these damaging ingredients may be lingering in your meals. Additionally, processed meats, canned foods, and even some cereals can be a hidden source of these harmful preservatives. These substances are not naturally found in the human diet, and thus the liver confronts a tough time trying to process them. The end result? The emergence of liver damage. Before we move to the next one, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy videos. Now, let's explore the topic of excessive alcohol consumption. Primarily, the liver is the heavy lifter when it comes to processing alcohol in your body. It's designed to break down alcohol molecules, a process known as oxidation, and convert them into water and carbon dioxide for easy excretion. However, when you overindulge in alcohol or drink frequently, your liver can't maintain its pace. It gets overwhelmed and starts to falter, leading to a spectrum of liver diseases. Some of the most prominent ones are cirrhosis, a condition where healthy liver tissue is replaced with scar tissue, and liver cancer. The effect of alcohol on the liver is not uniform across all types of alcoholic beverages. For instance, spirits with their high alcohol content are particularly damaging. Beers and wines, though lower in alcohol percentage, can also lead to liver diseases when consumed in excess over a long period. High-sodium foods, such as canned soups, packaged snacks, fast food meals, and processed meats are the next items on our list to scrutinize. Sodium in excessive amounts can trigger your body to retain surplus water. This is the main culprit behind bloating and escalating blood pressure, a lethal combination for your liver health. You see, the liver is a powerful organ that is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in your body. However, when your blood pressure is high due to excessive sodium intake, it applies added stress on the liver, making it difficult for it to perform its cleansing functions. This can lead to liver diseases such as cirrhosis or fatty liver. Red and processed meats, particularly those such as bacon, sausages, ham, and hot dogs, are not just guilty of raising your cholesterol levels. They have a direct harmful impact on your liver health. The main culprits are the high levels of saturated fats in these meats, as well as the carcinogenic compounds that are formed during the processing or high-temperature cooking. These elements contribute greatly to inflammation, fatty liver disease, and even liver cancer. Sugary drinks pose significant risks to liver health due to their high fructose content. When consumed in excess, fructose overwhelms the liver's metabolic capacity, leading to the accumulation of fat within the liver cells, a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This increased fat deposition can progress to more severe liver conditions like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, and liver fibrosis. Additionally, sugary drinks contribute to insulin resistance, promoting further liver damage and inflammation. Moreover, their high calorie content often leads to weight gain, which exacerbates liver-related issues. Snack foods like chips, crackers, and cookies often contain high levels of unhealthy fats, refined carbohydrates, and additives, which can contribute to liver inflammation and damage when consumed regularly. Choosing healthier snack options like nuts, fruits, and vegetables is better for liver health. But don't panic, certain foods can greatly benefit your liver health. Antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries and leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, support liver cleansing. Healthy fats found in avocados, fatty fish promote liver health. Garlic, in particular, reigns supreme as a liver superstar. A pivotal role it plays is in assisting your liver to activate enzymes, which are the catalysts in your body's chemical reactions. By doing so, garlic ensures these enzymes can efficiently flush out toxins. Furthermore, garlic boasts high concentrations of allicin and selenium, two naturally occurring compounds that are instrumental in liver cleansing. Allicin, a compound produced when garlic is crushed or chopped, aids in lipid metabolism, which is crucial for the liver functions, while selenium, an essential micronutrient found in garlic, protects the liver from cirrhosis and helps in enhancing its detoxification capability. Hence, the combination of allicin and selenium in garlic not only ensures thorough liver cleansing, but also enhances overall liver health. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are not just another favorite for the liver, they are a powerhouse of essential elements it demands. These green wonders are teeming with leading antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, as well as the nutrient heavyweight vitamin K, all of which your liver craves for its numerous functions. The antioxidants in particular play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals, thus preventing oxidative damage to the liver. Furthermore, they aid in liver detoxification, contributing to the overall health of the organ. On the other hand, vitamin K, a nutrient abundant in these leafy greens, promotes liver health by assisting in blood clotting and preventing excessive bleeding. In a nutshell, the leafy greens, with their dense antioxidative and nutritive profile, provide undeniable support to your liver, effectively assisting it to perform at its prime. Let's not overlook the importance of fatty fish in our diets. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, a form of unsaturated fat that is not only beneficial but necessary for our body. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial players in reducing inflammation, a common culprit behind numerous health issues. They also fight liver disease in an effective way. These beneficial fats work by reducing the production of substances released during your body's inflammatory response. This way, they can help limit or prevent damage to your liver cells, reducing the risk of chronic liver diseases such as cirrhosis or liver cancer. The presence of omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish creates a protective shield for your liver, aiding in its fundamental processes and ensuring optimal liver health. So let's summarize. Fried foods and highly processed foods, which are full of unhealthy fats and additives, can overwork your liver, leading to inflammation and liver disease. Excessive alcohol, another strain on your liver, can cause alcoholic hepatitis, fibrosis, and cirrhosis. High-sodium foods can lead to water retention and increased workload on your liver. Red and processed meats high in saturated fats and preservatives increase the risk of fatty liver disease and inflammation. Sugary drinks, high fructose corn syrup, and excessive salt contribute to obesity, a leading cause of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. On the bright side, adding garlic to your diet can reduce body fat and improve liver health. Leafy greens, rich in antioxidants, can neutralize harmful substances and protect your liver. Fatty fish, high in omega-3 fatty acids, can prevent fat buildup and fight inflammation, contributing to a healthy liver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.